Welcome to Chesapeake. We are in Warrington Hall. This is an amazing condo. It is one of Chesapeake's finest neighborhoods because you get all brick. These condos are fantastic because you get everything you could imagine for one of the greatest areas of Chesapeake because you're in Greenbrier. So you're in the heart of it all. So we have actually tried to make this town center area sort of like the Virginia Beach town center area. So we've got such great restaurants coming to here, like Luce's, Segundo. So you have Tony, who is one of the most fantastic chefs here, and you have Cork and Bull, and you have the most fantastic taco restaurant here. And for some reason, my mind just blanked on that one because I freaking love it. I'll think of it in a second. But it is one of my favorite places to eat. But there's so many great restaurants that have come into here, so much great shopping, and it's just fantastic. And it is super close to the interstate. But these are all brick. This is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, so spacious, and it looks like it's brand new. So if you are looking for a place in Chesapeake that is super close to everything, you have found it. And if you're looking for brand new, but not at a brand new price, you've absolutely found it too, because the price is perfect. So you have a garage here, which is great. You have a pool here, which is great. You have parks all over the place. You have basketball courts, everything. And when you step inside this house, you are going to be absolutely blown away because there is nothing that you need to do. This place is perfect for you. And if you want to close super fast, you can. So wait until you step inside this gorgeous Chesapeake home. So there's 2 entrances into the house. You have the front entrance, which I'm in now, and you have the back entrance, which most people are going to come into, which is a little fenced off entrance, which is where the garage entry is. But you'll have guests that'll park right out here and come in this entrance. So we're going to step inside this way. So this is stepping into your front entrance here. Beautiful. And as you walk in here, you do have your front closet here, and you'll see everything looks brand new. The paint is absolutely gorgeous. You have a blank canvas to start. So if you wanted to paint any colors, you can. But I love the brightness of this home. The beautiful hardwood floors that are throughout this. So you have your gorgeous entryway here, and then you have your beautiful dining room here. Or if you're one of those people who doesn't want a dining room, you can do whatever you want with this room. But this is just an absolutely gorgeous, huge dining room. And you can see all of the bright light that comes into this home. So we have this beautifully staged, and you have a gorgeous fireplace, and you can see all of the openness of this home. So this is your downstairs living area, and it's nice and open, and you have the beautiful granite countertops in here, and you have your kitchen area here. So you do have your eat-in kitchen, and you have just gorgeous kitchen area here. So all of your stainless steel appliances, your drop-in sink here, just everything that you could use. But you have tons of cabinetry in here. For a condo, there's just tons of cabinetry. You have tons of countertops. And this is a great entertainer's house because you have, this is a huge living room, but you have this huge bar area here. And I don't really think, no matter what, whether this is a family or whether you are young and just starting out, there's really anybody that this house is for, because you can kind of think about this house as, being a young adult and having this house as an entertainer's house, and thinking about this with, all of your friends hanging out here. Because I can just see this like a super cool vibe here. But at the same time, this house is big enough for people who are just starting out with their family to come out here and, raise their kids in. And especially with all the cool things to do here, with the pool and, with the playgrounds, and you do have great schools here. So, I mean, this is really just a house for absolutely anybody, and if you're even getting older and you wanted to downsize, this is even a great house for that. So this is just a home for absolutely anybody. And because it is in such perfect condition, I mean, who in the world would not want this perfect house? So you do have your pantry area here. So this kitchen is just absolutely huge. And like I said, it really does not look like it has been lived in at all. So this is that back door area that leads out to where I was saying, which most people are going to use, or they're actually probably going to come in from the garage. But you have that back area that leads to just your fenced in little area. And then here you have your half bath. So, I mean, just cute little half bath that your guests are going to use. And then in here, you have your garage. So for those who want to park in the garage, or those who want a gym, or those who just want extra place for storage, you have that in here. So they really didn't spare any expense in Warrington Hall, which was really, really nice. The builders were great. And in here, you have anything from these condos all the way up to $800,000-$900,000 homes. So it's just a beautiful, beautiful community. So we have brand new carpet put in. We actually just put this in a couple of days ago. So coming up the stairs, if I don't fall, and if you haven't seen me fall, you haven't watched enough of my videos. So make me some cute comments, like me, subscribe to me, all of those fun things. Make me some comments. We're getting ready to fix that. If you haven't been in houses, those chirping noises drive me absolutely freaking crazy. And Ed is sitting out there waiting to fix that. So he's waiting for me to get rid of this video so he can fix that. So here is more huge storage. Like I said, we don't really lack storage in this house. So I like to wait for the primary till last. So one thing that you're not lacking in this house is huge bedrooms, like I said. So here is the smallest of the bedrooms. So you got your first bedroom over here. And this, like I said, is one of the smaller bedrooms. So square footage wise, she's the same square footage as the 4 bedrooms. This is the laundry room, super cute. So you do have a full laundry room, not just one of those that you open it up and you've got washer dryer beside each other. And then super cute, oh my goodness, so cute. Super cute, you can tell I have not seen the staging until just now. Adorable hallway bathroom here. And then this little cute nook here. I love how she staged this. Don't you love how she staged this? If you do, send me some comments, because kudos to my stager. She's absolutely amazing. I love it. And you'll see how ginormous this bedroom is here. It's just absolutely huge. And you have 2 huge closets over here. So this is that room the kids are probably going to fight over, because if you do have kids, they've got, the 2 huge bedrooms. Well, somebody's going to have the smaller one and somebody's going to have the bigger one. And I mean, if you got a boy and a girl, this is obviously the girls, because they've got the big closets, and you got 2 closets here. So really, there's hands down no fighting. Girl gets this one because we need more closet space. So you come over into the primary, and the primary on this is absolutely huge. So you got a nice size primary with a walk-in closet on this. And it's a very, very nice size walk-in closet. And another plug for Closet Factory, because I would have Closet Factoried this out. I am a huge Closet Factory girl. Love it when they come in and do my Closet Factory stuff. They do a beautiful job doing my Closet Factory stuff. But again, stager, kudos, did a beautiful job here. And then you come over here. I don't know where that fan is that's driving me crazy, but whatever. I guess we're gonna have to, there we go. Well, there's one of them. So, well, you won't have moisture in this bathroom because there's two fans. Anyhow, so we have this bathroom is luxury. So you have the nice big, jetted tub here, beautiful window letting tons of light in, the huge shower here where you have I do love the seat always in my shower. Everybody knows how I love the seat in my shower. I think that whoever does that definitely thinks of women and shaving. And we have the double sink in here, which is always great because when you have the double sink, it keeps couples from arguing because we don't get our stuff on each other's side, which is wonderful. You have a phenomenal linen closet because it's super deep. You're not going to run out of anything. Tons of room for toilet paper. COVID days, you would have rocked for this one. And the private pooper, because here's the thing with the private pooper. This really keeps you happy because nobody needs to not have a private pooper. It's a must have. Nobody wants to be pooping and watching somebody else take a shower. Or the shower person doesn't want to watch you in the pooper. Negative. Or you taking a bath. It's not a good look. So this here completes our beautiful tour of this absolutely spectacular home that you want. But at the same time, I guess it doesn't complete our tour because we are going to look at the pool, at the playgrounds, and at the basketball courts. So stay with me for that. Here's where you got the great basketball courts here. So if you have kids that love basketball, you have the great basketball courts here. And then over here, you'll find that you have the great playground over here. So if you've got kids that love the great playground, you have it right here. And next, we're going to go over to the pool area. This is another amazing part of this house. So you have not only this amazing pool here, but you have this amazing playground, not just the small playground that you had over there. You have a soccer field here. You have a volleyball field here. As you can see, somebody doing his little chipping here. You have tennis courts over here. I mean, where else can you find absolutely everything? I mean, freaking everything. Because this pool is spectacular and you don't have to pay to clean it. That doesn't get any better. I mean, daggone people. This is the dream lifestyle with this condo. So, all brick home, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. I mean, this is spectacular. I mean, we're ready for you. Let's go.